Listen carefully. We all love anime heroes. Naruto, Luffy, Ayanokoji, Itachi, Levi. They inspire us because they are not ordinary. They are not weak. They are not afraid. But here's the truth. You don't need their powers. You need their mindset. In real life, the strongest people are not the ones with magic, jutsus, or devil fruits. The strongest are the ones who learn, who adapt, who grow, and who never give up. And today, I will show you how to take the best from each hero and build your own legend. Let's start with Ayanokoji, the calm genius. He is not loud. He does not show off. He does not waste energy. He studies situations. He studies people. And he waits. He watches quietly, calculates, and strikes only when the moment is perfect. Imagine if you had that calmness in your life. How many mistakes could you avoid? How many wrong decisions could you prevent? Life throws challenges at us every day. Stress, anger, fear, failure. But when you stay calm, silent, and thoughtful, you control the situation instead of letting it control you. That is the power of patience and observation. Ayanokoji Togi teaches us that sometimes silence is strength, and thinking before acting is a weapon more powerful than any sword or jutsu. But life is not only about calm strategy. Sometimes you need fire. And for that, look at Naruto. He was weak at first, rejected, mocked, underestimated. Everyone laughed at him, but he never gave up. He trained hard every day, fought his fears, and refused to quit. Even when it seemed impossible, he kept moving forward. That is the power of unshakable will. And you know what? You can do the same. Your failures, your pain, your struggles, they are fuel, just like Naruto. Use them to rise higher every time. Never let the world define you. Define yourself with your determination and courage. When life hits you down, don't stay down. Stand again, rise again, and keep moving forward. Now, let's move to Luffy. This guy is all about dreaming big. He doesn't settle for small dreams. He doesn't follow the ordinary path. He wants the impossible. He wants freedom, and he chases it with all his heart, with joy, with laughter. Even when people call him crazy, most people shrink their dreams because they are afraid. Afraid of failure, afraid of judgment, afraid of hard work. But Luffy shows us that big dreams push you further than comfort ever will. Dreams so big that people laugh at you, because only dreams that seem impossible have the power to change your life. Your life is too short for small dreams. Don't live like everyone else. Live like Luffy. Dream big, chase hard, and never stop. But dreams and willpower are not enough without sacrifice. And this is where Itachi teaches us. Everyone knows his story. Tragic, painful, yet full of lessons. He sacrificed everything, his happiness, his family's love, even his own name, to protect something bigger than himself. Most people cannot understand the weight of his choices, but he knew what was right and carried it, no matter the cost. From Itachi, we learn that true strength is not only about what you can do, but also about what you can endure and give up for the greater good. Sometimes you must endure hardship, loneliness, and misunderstanding to become someone truly great. Itachi shows us that sacrifice is a form of power that few understand, but everyone should respect. And then comes Levi, humanity's strongest soldier. His power is not supernatural, it's discipline. Every move is precise, every action calculated. No excuses, no wasted effort. Levi shows that talent without discipline is worthless. If you want to succeed, you need Levi's mindset. Focus, hard work, and consistency. Every day do the work, improve, and perfect your craft. That is how ordinary people become extraordinary. Levi teaches us that discipline is freedom. Freedom to achieve, freedom to master, freedom to win. So think about this. Imagine combining Ayanokoji's calm, Naruto's willpower, Luffy's dreams, Itachi's sacrifice, and Levi's discipline. What kind of person would you become? You would be unstoppable. But anime is only the beginning. These heroes are fictional. Their worlds are drawn. Their stories inspire. But the real question is, how do you live? You don't need to fight wars. You don't need superpowers. But you do need courage. You do need patience. You do need kindness. And that brings me to the most important example, not from anime, but from real life. Umar ibn Al-Khattab, R.A. I could have chosen a prophet as an example, but Umar's story is relatable and powerful. He was once harsh. He made mistakes, and he even hurt people. He was not perfect. In fact, at the start, he was one of the strongest enemies of truth and justice. But when he realized his errors, he changed. He left his past behind. He became a leader, a man of justice, wisdom, wisdom and kindness. Why do I end with Umar? Because I know my audience. You have made mistakes. You have failed. You have hurt people. You have wasted time. Maybe you feel it's too late to start again. But Umar's life teaches us that it is never too late to change. Mistakes do not define you. Only your choices after realizing them define you. You can rise again. You can become better. You can become great. You can choose your path, even if you start today. So don't feel bad. Don't give up on yourself. You still have time. You still have a chance. Be kind. Be patient. Speak carefully. Work hard. Love with passion. Think like Ayanokoji. Fight like Naruto. Dream like Luffy. Sacrifice like Itachi. Work like Levi. And live like Umar. After listening to this, remember one thing. Change is always possible. You are not your past. You are your choices now. Every small decision, every small effort, every small change brings you closer to who you want to become. Your journey is not over. And today, this moment is your first step to becoming unstoppable, to becoming legendary, to becoming someone who inspires not only themselves, but everyone around them. Go ahead. Be calm. Be strong. Be kind. Work hard. Dream big. Sacrifice. And never forget, you can change your life at any moment. The world is waiting for the best version of you, and that version starts now.